As the last video on how to use GPT Workspace in Google Docs, we're going to show how to find stock images and also create AI images for your essays in Google Docs. So here we created this essay about the Great Gatsby, but let's find something more images. So we're going to find stock images with the keywords about this text. All right. And it should find new stock images that we can then insert into our presentation. So this one is pretty cool. We can use one from the movie here. All right. Now let's create an AI image this time. So we're gonna generate an AI image about the Great Gatsby. Great Gatsby. All right, so this one is beautiful. We can just put it here. All right, so that's it about how to find and create new images for your essays in Google Docs.